everybody, and welcome back to our channel. During the school holidays, Isha and I decided to bake something delicious. We baked eggless chocolate cupcakes with buttercream frosting.
We loved them so much that we decided to show you all how to bake them step by step.
Let's get started with showing you the ingredients. We will need 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 4 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of sugar,
1 cup of lukewarm water, 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 5 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Let's start adding the ingredients.
Firstly, we'll need to take the all-purpose flour and pour it in. We'll need then the cocoa powder, baking soda, just make sure it's all in, baking powder, salt, and sugar. Let's start mixing it.
Now, when you finish mixing, you're going to add some vinegar. You have to add 1 tablespoon. And now some vanilla extract, some vegetable oil, and finally lukewarm water. Let's mix again. We are now going to pour the mixture into the cupcake wrappers.
This is how the consistency of the batter should look like. Make sure it's really smooth. Preheat the oven to 160 degrees and then put the batter in the oven for the same temperature for 20 minutes. Get a grown-up's help to put it in the oven.
While the cupcakes are in the oven, we need to make the icing.
The ingredients for the icing include 3/4 of a cup of butter, 2.5 cups of powdered sugar,
1/2 cup of cocoa powder, 1/4 cup of milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract.
Let's start with adding butter. now we have to stir it until it becomes smooth. As you can see, now the butter is smooth. Next, we have to add the powdered sugar. Now we add the cocoa powder. And now let's mix it together. Now let's add the milk.
And vanilla extract.
Mix again. Now we've finished stirring. The cupcakes are now ready. Once the cupcakes have cooled down, you can transfer the icing into a piping bag and then put it on top of the cupcakes.
Now is the fun part, decorations.
We can use sprinkles or other icing decorations that you might have at your house.
The yummy cupcakes are ready. I hope you enjoy the cupcakes as much as we do.
Make sure to like and subscribe below.
Bye.